Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about iterative statement do while, part of programming in C course. The do while loop in C is a control flow statement that allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a given condition is true. The basic syntax of a do while loop is as follows. Here, condition is an expression that is evaluated after each iteration of the loop. If the condition is true, the code inside the loop is executed again. If the condition is false, the loop is terminated and control is transferred to the next statement after the loop. The key difference between a do-while loop and a while loop is that do-while loop will always execute the code inside the loop at least once, even if the condition is initially false. Here is an example of a do-while loop that counts from 1 to 10. In this example, the variable I is initialized to 1, and the condition I is less than or equals to 10 is evaluated after each iteration of the loop. The code inside the loop is executed, which is a printf statement that prints the value of I followed by a space. The value of I is then incremented by 1 using the plus plus operator. This process is repeated until the value of I becomes greater than 10, at which point the condition is false and the loop is terminated. The output of the program is 1 to 10. It is important to be careful when using do-while loops, as an infinite loop can occur if the condition is always true and the variable used in the condition is not updated inside the loop. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.